Hi friends. Welcome to our channel Enlightening Knowledge. Hope all you are doing well. Today I would like to tell you about fun facts about chocolate. Hope you like it. Friends, do you know how many cocoa beans are needed to make 1 pound chocolate? And which type of chocolate is considered as healthier chocolate? If not, guys, watch our video till the end. Friends, do you know 400 cocoa beans are needed to make 1 pound chocolate, and each cocoa tree produces 2,500 beans approximately. Chocolate used in many desserts like pudding, cakes, candy, and ice cream. And one more thing, it can be a solid form like a candy bar. Or it can be in a liquid form like hot chocolate. Further, I would like to tell you that it can also guard against cardiovascular disease by reducing bad cholesterol and increasing good cholesterol. Second, do you know which type of chocolate is considered as healthier chocolate? It's dark chocolate. Because dark chocolate is considered a healthy choice by many simply because of the presence of various minerals such as selenium, zinc, potassium, magnesium, iron and many others, and making a part of its constitution. Further, I would like to tell you some myths about chocolate. First, chocolate causes headaches. Second, chocolate causes cavities and tooth decay. Third, chocolate causes weight gain. This is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. And before leaving, don't forget to subscribe our channel, as it motivates me for making more videos for you. Stay tuned, stay blessed.